TPT Live and so many other TPT events are amazing experiences. Gaining new insight onto how I can better my store is what TPT Live is all about.
I have been a TPT customer for all of my teaching needs. I came feeling overwhelmed, but this live workshop really gives you so many starting points. I know I can do this, and I can help others as well.
There's so much advice online, but what you're getting here I think is a lot more organized. I already have a to-do list now based on the advice that I've gotten at this event.
TPT Live is so much better than I even imagined. I got 3 new product ideas, I've learned new information, and most importantly, I've connected with other people and other sellers and people in my niche.
The ability to network and talk to other people who are kind of in the same boat with smaller stores just starting out. I ultimately realized I was making a lot of stuff, and so my thought was, well, I'm doing all the making, why am I not selling?
It can feel really overwhelming in the beginning, and it's just validating to remind yourself to take some baby steps and grow your store.